and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and this is your October Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, patterned paper, and embellishments. So you'll get some of the latest and greatest products each month coming your way to create with. This month's collections are from American Crafts and Vicki Boutin, Field Notes, Doodlebug Design, Pumpkin Party, My Mind's Eye, Gal Meets Glam, and Photo Play Paper, Fall Breeze. Along with the 4 collections, you'll receive 4 recipe cards for 4 double-page layouts, one for each one of the 4 collections, designed by the design team for you to get creating right away. They'll include cutting and assembly instructions as well as a full-color photo of the layout. As you can see, you'll get a wide range of products and themes. So we have Vicki Boutin's really soft watercolor florals that's good for anything. We have a Halloween, a little glam, and some fall. So you're going to be ready to scrap all month long with these gorgeous collections. Let's take a closer look at each one of them. Field Notes, designed by Vicki Boutin and American Crafts, is a gorgeous watercolor collection, perfect for scrapbooking and documenting all of your moments and memories. So first up, we're going to get 2 sheets of cream puff cardstock. Your patterned paper, Among the Wildflowers, is this gorgeous floral print, and the back side is a blue watercolor. These will have full branding strips, so you can use those for even more designs. This one, that's all of the rainbow colors with a watermark of either a glass or a mug and some spills, so it's kind of like some ink blots. The back side is a green watercolor print. This one, called One of a Kind, is just brush strokes of all of the beautiful colors in this collection, and the back is a purple watercolor print. So you can see you have some solids and then your beautiful prints on this side. For your embellishments, you're going to receive 1 puffy phrase. So mine says collect moments and has some hearts and some stars. Then you'll receive some of the embellishments. So there's some icons, and then there's also labels and tags. So these will vary among the kits, but this is what I received in mine, so to give you an idea of what's in there. Just more gorgeous florals, watercolor prints, and some phrases. So that's Field Notes from Vicki Boutin. Doodlebug Design is bringing us Pumpkin Party, ready for all of your Halloween and your trick-or-treat photos. So we're going to have 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your patterned paper is this itsy bitsy spider on the green checked background. The back side is this diagonal vibrant stripes in the purple and the green and the orange and the yellow. We have those same colors in stars on a black background. And then the banners and the little lanterns on the strings. This one's called Pumpkin Party. This one, called Jack and Friends, has all of the cute, whimsical jack-o'-lanterns. And the back side is a plaid design in all of those vibrant colors that Doodlebug is so well known for. So that's a look at the patterned paper from Pumpkin Party. Your embellishments are 1/8 a pack of the odds and ends. And the fun thing about theirs is you have some that are cardstock pieces and then some that are acetate. So the ones I have a little star and balloon, and then the little lights, those are all acetate. So of course these will vary among the kits. Then you're going to get some Halloween assortment sprinkles, so those colors will vary, as well as the ICU shape sprinkles, as Doodlebug calls them. So they're the cute little eyeballs you can decorate your projects with. So that is Pumpkin Party from Doodlebug Design. For all your girly layouts, we have from My Mind's Eye, Gal Meets Glam. This is a fun, girly collection with lots of gold foiling all the way throughout. So to start off, we're going to get 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock. Patterned paper is this one with all of the girly icons with the eyelashes and the makeup brushes, perfume. And the back is these fun bobby pins on a pink. This one is called FaceTime. I have this one that has all of the little sayings and words for girls. And the back are these lips, and this one's called Lip Service. Then we have the gold foiled glasses on the minty green, and the back side are the eyelashes, and this one is called Girls in Glasses. So that's a look at your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the sheet of chipboard elements with the gold foil accent. So we have some words you could use for titles or subtitles, and then these beautiful icons of flowers. I love the bobby pins and the eyelashes. So that's a look at My Mind's Eye, Gal Meets Glam. For all your fall themed projects from Photo Play Paper, we have Fall Breeze. This is a fun, whimsical fall collection that is just going to be a delight to work with. So first up, we have 2 sheets of dark craft cardstock. Your patterned paper is this one called Pumpkin Patch, and it has all of the pumpkins, a little pumpkin sign, and this adorable little fox and raccoon that shows up throughout this collection. The back is a polka dot on an off-white. We have this one called Breezy Stripes, which is a diagonal stripe set on the craft. And the back is a gold plaid. This one called Autumn Leaves, a gorgeous wood plank background. And the back side are gorgeous leaves. That one's going to be a hard one to decide which one will you use. So that's a look at the pattern paper. For the embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have plenty of large icons, banners, and words that you could use for your titles. And of course, those adorable little critters joined by a couple of others. Some word labels, perfect for all your fall memory keeping. So one more look at your October Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to check out all of the add-ons available for this kit. There's cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments that you can add on. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog for challenges and inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers. And if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be notified when the new videos are released. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.